Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share with you my strawberry picking vlog. So let's hop into the strawberry farm. Okay, me and my friend Tushan are looking at the information boards. Policies, how many dollars the picking boxes are. There's one $6 box, one $25 box, and one $45 box. My dad is checking with the farm people to see how much big the size boxes are. So we picked two small boxes because no one in my home eats that many strawberries. So now we're gonna go in the strawberry farm. Yay! Me and my friend Tushan are looking and picking the strawberries. Those sprinklers help the farm get watered, all of it, because the plants need water to grow, right? Yeah. So that's how they keep the strawberries without watering them all day, right? Okay, I got a lot of strawberries, don't I? My basket was full just in a second. So if you go deeper in the plants, you can see more strawberries. So there's a lot of plants in the strawberry farm, so I'm going around to find one. Look, my basket's almost full. Wow, look. Okay, those are pictures of the strawberries. Yum. Okay, now those are in the strawberry vines. Look, the strawberries. And those are not ripened strawberries. The green ones, saw them? Take a close look at the seeds. Whoa, there's so many of them. These are how unripened strawberries look like. They're all green, right? They're just like camouflage. Okay, now even more strawberries. You can find a lot, right? Yeah. Oh, the flower! I never expected that. Oh, those strawberries are on the ground. My mom is showing you close the strawberries. And those are the leaves and whatever else in the bushes. There are lots of strawberries in the bushes, right? Oh, 5 more strawberries. Anyway, look, small ones. Look all of the bunches. There's so many strawberries laying down. Whoa, look at all of them. Those are so much strawberries in a bunch. Those are 2. Okay, now my brother is ready to take a photo of him with the strawberry. There we go. Again, he wants to eat those strawberries, I think so. He's nicely giving poses because my mom is telling him to. Oh, these are some pictures of him. Another one. So that's when he was raising and getting down the strawberry. Oh, he's like a flying strawberry. Okay, those are some. Oh, he wants to get the strawberry skin off. Oh, yay! It's a picture of me holding the strawberry basket. Again. And That's when I hold a strawberry. 2 strawberries. Another. Guys, these are the strawberries we picked and filled in our baskets. Bye-bye, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to his channel for more videos. Bye.